Kneader gravel makes a difference. Kneader gravel trays are extruded polypropylene trays with a honeycomb structure backed by a permeable geotextile. This permeable geotextile ensures that the gravel is unable to sink under the tray and so prevents the tray from being pushed up. The strictest of standards are applied to the production of Kneader gravel, which also satisfies the relevant ISO standards. In order to guarantee constant quality, the properties of these Kneader gravel trays are regularly tested in the lab. The base is responsible for distributing the load-bearing capacity, and its thickness depends on the expected load. It is preferable to use coarse, loose materials for the base in order to obtain the best possible permeable surface. Perforation of the geotextile by any sharp points on the coarse base material should be avoided. A leveling layer of fine gravel should therefore be laid on top of the base layer. The border stones ensure that the gravel does not migrate and end up next to the surface. They also protect the Kneader gravel trays from any moving loads driving onto them. Ensure that the border protrudes no more than 2 centimeters above the Kneader gravel tray. The flexible Kneader gravel tray, which has a large surface area of almost 3 square meters, is very quick to install. The trays are placed side by side. The geotextile protrudes along 2 sides of the Kneader gravel tray, and this is laid under the adjacent tray. Because of the tray's flexibility and its high weight once filled, no mechanical securing is required, not even on slopes of up to 25%. Kneader gravel is easy to cut using an angle grinder or jigsaw. As a result, both curved and straight shapes are possible. In order to avoid damage to the Kneader gravel trays, no moving loads may be permitted on them as long as they are not filled with gravel. After filling, the Kneader gravel trays can resist a pressure of up to 250 tons per square meter. Because the gravel naturally compacts within a few days of laying, it is advisable to fill up with gravel to 2 centimeters above the trays so that eventually there will be 1 centimeter left. All kinds of borders are possible, such as concrete paving blocks, aluminium sections, or concrete border stones. Always use gravel made from hard rock, so that it's not crushed over time. Harder types of gravel are also less likely to turn green. Kneader gravel, 100% permeable, stable and color-fast, is an ideal, suitable alternative for non-permeable concrete or asphalt products. Kneader gravel is the perfect invisible solution for a stable surface that is easy to walk and drive over without rutting occurring. Kneader gravel has been specially developed for stabilizing gravel or shingle surfaces. Once filled, the surface has a compressive strength of up to 250 tons per square meter. Because it's a natural product, gravel can be perfectly integrated in any project. Kneader gravel is invisible and lets the gravel steal the show. Because Kneader gravel is 100% permeable, its use is environmentally friendly. The rain drains straight into the soil so that no puddles form. Kneader gravel is very easy and quick to install. Kneader gravel, the invisible solution for a stable gravel surface.